That's fine for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, doing, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem.
Wow. So I thought I was recording this whole time. This is how long I have been away from YouTube. I just recorded like a whole 20-minute thing and looked at the camera and realized it wasn't even recording. What a sad day. What a sad day. But I'm gonna redo everything because I said I was gonna get back to YouTube. It's been too long and I do miss making YouTube videos, and now I will have the time to do so. So yeah, okay, so I know y'all remember like a year ago I made a video about how I was quitting my job and how I was finna be doing content full-time. Y'all, I tried it and it just wasn't working for me. Like, it wasn't working. It was too much stuff I had to do and not enough money was coming in, so I have to go back to a 9-to-5, y'all. So I'm currently working a 9-to-5 and I hate it, but you know, these bills got to get paid some day, somehow, some way. Okay, at the end of the day got in. So yeah, I will be doing both like I've been doing. You know, I was just trying to, you know, do what I do. Okay, like I eventually want to quit my job and do content full-time, like for real. I feel like I was playing last time, but I feel like this next time, when that time comes and I actually do make it to that level, I'm gone. Like, y'all not hearing me, I'm gone. So this is a start. I'm back on YouTube, y'all. I hope you guys will enjoy today's video. I just wanted to do a little blurb about where I've been, and you should be expecting more from me. Let me spit this gum out. Anyways, so today's video I'm gonna share with you guys some cluster lash tutorial. So I know y'all been seeing these all over TikTok, because I have cluster lashes, y'all. So I got this kit from TikTok shop and it's bussin'. Okay, so this is from the brand Wosheer. I've tried them before, but I really didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know nothing about the lash maps and all the stuff you gotta do. I mean, it's really not too much, but that's why I wanted to make this tutorial, to show you guys, you know, step by step how easy it is. Because at first I was like, oh, I don't like stuff by my eyes. I really don't like stuff by my eyes. Like, I'm just really super sensitive, but this is really not as bad as you would think it will be, and it lasts up to 2 weeks, so I don't have to you can just wake up and look glamorous. So I love that, and I wanted to share these with y'all. So like I said, I got these from TikTok shop. This one is the kit. It comes with, you know, the pack of clusters, and then you get 2 glues, and then they give you some little tweezers, and everything is pink, so I love that. Y'all know I'm a pink baby, so I love that to the core. These are kind of anime style with like a spike to them. I like these a lot. Okay, I will say I feel like they need to be stacked, but I don't really like stacking. I've tried stacking before and it was more of a pain than I've ever felt. So these are more on the natural side for my, you know, natural girls who like a, you know, just a there lash, you know, like a everyday. Yeah, these are so cute, and they start at 18 and they go all the way to 8, which the 8 it will be used for the bottom lash. And then I really didn't use the 18. It was kind of too long, so I kind of will be sticking to the 16. And as you guys can see, there is a rose missing because I've tried this already and I loved it. So I'm gonna try it again and share with y'all what all to do. I'll start off with a eyelash curler. This is the one I got from Miss A, but if you don't have one, I do have it listed down below on my Amazon storefront, so check that out. You do want to make sure your lashes are curled, you know, before you start this. Otherwise it won't give as much. Okay, so this is an important step. Curl your eyelashes. So you put it, you know, right in there, and then you just press up. Okay. I'm trying to show you guys the difference. You can't really see the difference, but just know these are kind of going up. I mean, I guess you can. Make sure y'all lashes are clean. Like from each install to each install, make sure that you are cleaning your lashes with some type of micellar water or just something to get the gunk off, okay? Now I'm gonna go in with the Bond and Seal. This has 2 on the end, so I'm going in with the Bond and I'm just gonna coat my lashes with it. It is white on here, so I do like that. You can see, you know, where you're putting everything, so just put it right on the root. I might need to dip in here again because it's a little dry, y'all. So make sure everything is good and coated. Everything's good and coated. Now it's time to dig into the tray and pick them up. So you want to go ahead and pick them up from the, like, to not destroy the lash, okay? So I'm trying to grab this without I'm grabbing a 16 first, y'all. So grab from this glue part, from this bottom part right here. So once the 16 is grabbed from the bottom, you're then gonna grab it from the, so now I'm gonna grab the spike backwards like this. This is really small, y'all, but grab it like this, and with the thing kind of going up. So make sure this is going up, because now you're gonna place the 16 right above the lash line. Right there. And then you go ahead and just press up like that. Y'all, that's it. It's on there. It's not in my eye. Yeah. So I'm gonna grab another 16. Well, I'm gonna do 3 16s, I believe. Boom. It's good, y'all. So I'm just gonna lift these up so y'all can see. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect, okay? Like, just make sure that it's not on that pink part. That pink part, make sure it's like right above that, okay? And then you should be good to go. So I did 3 16s. I'm gonna do 2 14s and then a 12. I might even just do a 12, y'all. My eye is so small, I don't think I'm gonna have room. So I think ideally you should only do about either 5 to 6, depending on how wide your eye is. For me, I have baby eyes, so you know, actually I'm gonna do a 12. The look. I feel like the 14 was too big. Yes, this happens. Just grab it and try again. Try again. Sometimes this does happen and it's super frustrating, you guys. But then I just put a little bit on that part, and let me tell you, the cluster in the front of your eyes is the most hardest one to do, because you got to get off in there, okay? Like, it's so hard, but you know, it pays off. So okay, so everything is on there, y'all. I love it. This looks so good. So now I'm going to go in with the other side of the thing and press the seal, which is this kind of weird looking tip right here, and you're just gonna press up. So this tip here, I'm just gonna press on the underside of the lashes, and this just locks everything in. Then I go in with the tweezers and I just press everything together. done. One eye is done, y'all. Looking fabulous and flawless. Yes. Yeah, I like that a lot. Okay. When I first did these lashes, I did like 12, 14, 16, 18. So it was given a cat eye. I didn't really like it. So my lash map that I do on all is 3/16s, 3/16s, maybe 2/14s if I can squeeze it, or 1 and then a 12 in the inner corner. So that is just perfect for my eye shape, and it just looks so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this other eye, and then I'm gonna attempt, this will be my first time attempting to do the 8 under the eye. Okay, so all right, so makeup is all done. I'm dolled up, honey, dolled up. So now I'm gonna try to do the bottom lashes. So I'm gonna put the bond on the bottom lash and see what happens. Woo! Same as the top. I'm gonna grab the 8s. I think I'm gonna do either 3 or 4. I'm not sure which one. I might do 4 of them. Okay, let's make it 3. Let's make it 3. Okay, so it feels so weird. Oh my god, like I feel like I can feel the lashes on my eyes. Oh my goodness, I don't know how y'all do that. I feel like I can feel them on my eyes. And how long do they stay? I guess y'all, I don't know if this is right, but I can just feel, every time I blink I can feel it moving. So y'all, hair and makeup is done. I'm feeling really good, y'all. I've been packing my blush on. Like, I just feel like a doll. I've been doing what I want to do, when I want to do, how I want to do, you know. But anyways, y'all, I am obsessed with these lashes. They look so good, okay? Even the bottom, at first I was like, ooh. And they still are like a lot to handle, you know, because I can feel them every time I move. Like, it just feels like something is on my face, but they look so cute, and I probably cannot go without them now. So I highly recommend these, you guys. Again, these are the Wosheer Manga lash cluster kit. Okay, so this is like the whole anime thing. I love anime, by the way. Let me know if y'all love anime and what are some good suggestions down in the comments box, because I'm still stuck on Demon Slayer, and what I've been watching is the I forgot what it's called. I think it's like Psycho Mob 100 or something. It's pretty good. I've been slowly watching it when I have time, so that's why I forgot the name, but that one's a good one. Okay, like I'm just now like getting into it. I seen there's only 1 season, so I need to like hurry up and finish it. But yeah, anyways, the whole little spiky lash, anime lash, y'all, I'm living for them. Okay, I definitely recommend these were like $20. I think if you get them on the TikTok shop, they have like a bunch of coupons and stuff y'all can claim. Of course, I will list it down in the description box for you guys to check out okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and do that. And yeah, that wraps it up for this video. Like I said, I'm coming with the videos, y'all. Like, this will not be the last time y'all see me. I'm trying to be more consistent. And y'all, this hair is from Wiggins Hair. Of course, I will leave it below. I've had this one for a while. This has been my go-to work wig. Y'all know that everybody has a work wig that you just throw on and go. This is it. Like, this is it. Okay, I do have her glued down and everything, but you know, it is what it is, okay? But pretty soon I'm gonna be sharing with y'all some locks styles, okay? I'm planning to wear my locks out for the summer because these wigs are getting super hot. And yeah, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be like doing a bunch of styles on my locks on my channel. I just want to give my hair a break from the wigs and my forehead a break from all the sprays and stuff, y'all, because that putting alcohol on your head like every day is really not good for you. Even the glues, like, just, it's a bit much, okay? And I've been doing these wig reviews for like 5+ years, so you can only imagine the stuff I done went through. But yeah, that wraps it up, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about these anime lashes. They are giving. The lashes are giving. Oh my goodness. OMG. Yes, make sure y'all check it out. Listed down in the description, Bizox. And as always, thanks for watching.